Alright. Create a new one. Name it 1 inch. We're going to hard code the height of these texts in this instance, and we'll put Arial narrow. We'll say bold italic, and all right. So height 1 inch. Apply. New one. 2 inch. And this one we will assign, let's see, I like Bank Gothic. This one height of 2 inches, and that's good. Apply. Create a new one. 3 inch. 3, and for this we will change the width factor, kind of squish it in a little bit, make it 0.5, and anything else? We already used that, so what else do I like? Broadway. Broadway's a nice text. Apply. And then we'll create a new one. 4 inch. This change to 4, and go ahead and leave it at 0.5. Actually, let's demonstrate the use of oblique angle. So here we'll give it an oblique angle of 11. That leads it over. It's similar to what italics does, but here you have control for the amount of angle you want it to have. Apply and close. Now here are all the textiles that we've created. So 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch. 1 inch. Let's do it. Now, when you create a textile and you assign it a height, and you go to excuse me, place the text in your drawing window, it assumes that you It assumes that you want that height, so it will not prompt you for specify height. So here we've selected a point, and it says specify the rotation. Now, 1 inch text. Okay, now let's go and we'll select for the next line 2 inch text. Text. Notice that it actually is, I mean, it may seem like it's a little big relative to the space that I've created to put it in, but if you'll notice, the capital letter is exactly 2 inches. So next we'll select a new textile that we've created, 3 inch. Now this might go out of the drawing window, we'll see. Alright, nope, because 3 inch text. So this kind of demonstrates the usefulness of the width factor, of adjusting the width factor. You may want it the same height, but find that the width is too long, so if you change the width factor to lower, you can manipulate it that way. Alright, so click outside. Alright, Now we'll select the fourth text style that we've created, 4-inch. And 4-inch. Again, the width factor is keeping this from bleeding outside of our box dimensions. Okay, 4-inch text. Boom. Now let's create some layers for these texts. Layer. Now the what is the keystroke? Yeah, so I want to get used to using the keystroke. Alt in. Click in this area and select Alt in. Oops. We'll go ahead and so 1-inch text. All right. Alt in, and we'll go ahead and create these. Come back in. 2. Text. 3 text. 4-inch text. All right, now let's go back through here and give them different colors. All right. Here, and finally, okay, now select this, assign layer 1-inch text to it, okay, select this one, assign layer 2-inch text to it, this one, assign layer 3-inch text to it, and this one, layer 4-inch text. Okay, so what we've done here is we've created 4 different text styles, each with varying specifications, and then we created layers and assigned each of these text instances to different layers. And so this is how you create text styles in AutoCAD. Thank you, I'm John.